Now maybe harder. What are you trying to do? To cut the apple? I think you don't do it strong enough. Harder, harder. Push. It will not work, eh? Yay! You got it. I think you should bite into it. It would be better, faster. Bite the apple.